Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome, everyone. And today we're diving into the rich tapestry of Korean wisdom. Get ready for inspiration as we explore 10 profound quotes and proverbs. Let's begin. Our first gem: fall 7 times, stand up 8. A reminder that resilience is the key to overcoming life's challenges. Let's embrace the strength to rise, no matter how many times we fall. Next up, a flower falls, even though we love it. And a weed grows, even though we do not love it. Profound, isn't it? This proverb teaches us to appreciate life's natural course. Even in its unpredictability, patience is a bitter root, but it bears sweet fruit. Let's reflect on the importance of patience, understanding that enduring challenges can lead to the sweetest rewards. Do not see what is contrary to etiquette. Do not hear what is contrary to etiquette. Do not speak what is contrary to etiquette. Wise words emphasizing the importance of respect in our interactions. Here's a short and impactful one. Even monkeys fall from trees. A simple reminder that everyone, no matter how skilled, can make mistakes. It's part of being human. The deeper the roots, the sweeter the fruits. Let's explore the depth within ourselves and others, understanding that true strength lies in profound foundations. A tiger cannot defeat a dragon in its own lair. Intriguing, right? This proverb teaches strategic thinking, knowing the environment and adapting for success. The beginning is the half of every action. As we embark on new journeys, let's remember the significance of a strong start. The foundation we lay determines the path ahead. Do not choose a person by their looks. Choose one by their heart. Beauty is more than skin deep. And this quote encourages us to value substance over appearances. Words have no wings, but they can fly 1,000 miles. Our final insight: let's recognize the power of words to bridge gaps, inspire, and connect us across distances. And there you have it, 10 pearls of wisdom from Korea. Which quote resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more cultural insights. Gamsahamnida. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay inspired.